Mom, I gonna say Merry Christmas.
What do you want for Christmas?
I want Friday. I want to find
Bless you.
And a teddy bear and a Batman.
Oh, yeah? Did you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Who'd you go see yesterday? Nope. Come over here. You want to show him the picture? Here, come here. Show him the picture.
That's me taking the picture of Santa.
Uh-oh. It fell down. Can you pick it up?
Yeah.
Here, bring it up here. Brayden and Santa. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't do that. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Say love ya.
I love you.
Okay. Bye-bye.